and welcome to the Digital Classroom. My name is Aditi and I will take you through this digital e-learning module. Information technology is a boon to the society. Every once in a while, a new technology, an old problem and a big idea turns into an innovation. There is always a scope of learning and being IT savvy. For ease of your understanding, this e-learning module has been transformed into an interactive and extremely comprehensive video-based virtual classroom where you'll see experts with the learners. To ease your learning experience, we will take you through different real-life scenarios from which you will see the practical application of digital technologies. Not only this, after each key concept, you will be asked to complete some interesting activities that will ensure your correct understanding of digital technologies. So, let's begin to learn digital basics through a very interesting conversation between two friends Aditya and Shreya. Good luck and happy learning! Aditya and Shreya meet up for a coffee. Aditya is a businessman who runs a confectionery shop and Shreya is an IT expert. Aditya is unaware of present IT technologies, but Shreya sheds light on all aspects of digitalization to make Aditya understand what going digital is all about.
Hey Shreya, did you read the article about Digital India? It says Digital India program has made a digitally empowered society through digitization and digitalization. I have heard a lot about digitization and digitalization. Though I have a basic sense of all these, yet I feel that I need to learn a lot about it to make my understanding better. Can you help?
Sure, why not? In fact, you don't need to learn a lot to understand and appreciate digital. All you need is some organized information on digital and various aspects associated with it. I would love to teach this to you.
So, what is digitalization all about? How can one become digital?
Well, before coming to that, take this telephone number and note it down somewhere. It is 9856564379.
Okay. The contact is saved in my cell phone.
Good. Now, if I ask you to send some text information to your relative who resides in another city, what course of action would you take?
Well, I can write a letter to him. But who does that these days? I will either send him an SMS on mobile, WhatsApp him, or drop him an email.
Perfect. See, instead of noting down the contact diary or paper, you saved it on your cell phone. This is called digitization. And instead of sending a letter, you used that phone number and sent a message. That's called digitalization. Let's understand this concept more deeply. So, to understand the concept of digitalization, we must understand the meaning of data first. Data is any information that we use for any purpose. You must be aware that earlier we used to note down the contact details of others in our diaries. These details also qualify as data. Similarly, when we write a letter to anyone, the text information contained in that letter is also data. Now, instead of using papers, notebooks, diaries, etc., if we convert this data in electronic form and store it on any computer system, which can be used further, then this process is called digitization. Thus, digitization is the conversion of any data into the electronic form, which can be stored, read, and processed by any computer system.
Okay, this is a new perspective for me. Instead of creating photo albums, if we store our photographs on our computer devices, will it also be called digitization?
Yes, it can be any kind of data. Pictures, numbers, textual information or videos.